Hello, welcome to another Visla tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create product videos for your social media and email campaigns. Let's say you are a retail company with a lot of products and you want to highlight them using videos. With Visla's AI video generator, you can quickly create video montages using your own clips and images. Our AI will analyze each of the files and determine which images or video snippets to use in order to create a compelling story. Let me show you how it works. Start by creating a video in Visla and select Image and Video. Then either upload or import your files. Let's say I have a bunch of images of my skincare line. I'll upload those by dragging and dropping them into the box. Then you'll want to specify in the prompt box what kind of video you need. For product videos, tell Visla's AI to create a promotional video with a fast pace and exciting tone, or whichever tone fits your brand more. If you want your video for social media, you can also specify the aspect ratio as 9:16. Another customization option is the AI Narration. If you want your video to have an AI voiceover, then check that box. I recommend using narration if the style matches your brand or if it makes sense for the posting platform. For example, my video will be posted on TikTok, which often has voiceover, so I'll select Add Narration. Then click Generate.
Our products are vegan, paraben-free, and perfect for your skin. Many skincare products contain.
Visla will create a video using your content and add relevant transitions to make your video more engaging. You'll likely need to add a bit of customization, so go ahead and click on the Edit button. Here you can add text overlay, update the transitions. Let's say I want this one to be wiped down instead. Apply. Make sure the text overlay colors and fonts match your brand. To change them, click on the color circles to select your colors and the font drop-down. All of this is under the text menu. If you want different background music, click on Audio, then scroll through the list of music. For product videos, you can usually go one of two ways. The first way is something with a lot of beats, like pop music, to create more excitement. And the second way is something that is more chill, like lo-fi, to create a calm vibe. It really depends on your product and brand. I'd recommend playing around with all of the editing features so that you get a sense of what you want to customize. When it's done, export your video. The best part about this feature is that you can do it on the go. If you have the Visla mobile app on your phone, just follow the same process as you would on desktop by uploading your files, typing in your video specifications, and generating a video. There are more editing options on desktop, but you can still do some customizations on your phone. This tool is great if you have a lot of images that you need to turn into videos. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials. See you soon!